Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot to do, so I need to get it all done. I kind of pushed it off until today during this week. I just was so busy this week, so I didn't get anything done. And now I have a lot to do because we have a packed full weekend as well, and today's Friday, so I gotta just hunker down and get to cleaning. So I hope that it motivates you and gets you to cleaning, or you just enjoy watching this video. Let's just get right on into it. I'm going to start off by making Tyler's lunch. I usually do this the night before, but I didn't last night, so I'm going to just make it now and then run it there before I drop off our dog Rex at his parents' house, because we're going to be having a late Mets game tonight. They finally made the playoffs and they haven't in a couple of years, so we're so excited. We were supposed to already go to our last game because we went to about 30 games this year, but Tyler convinced me. So we're going tonight and we're really excited. But I'm just making him a sandwich and then some lemon hummus with some pita bread, and then I'm going to throw in some of his favorite little bites in there as well. This is the mess of the kitchen. I need to clean around the toaster. I have some dishes to do. Tyler needs to clean that because he promised me he would clean it and he hasn't yet, and it's just really heavy, so he needs to do that. I want to clean the stove, just gotta put some stuff away. And then the big thing is our kitchen table. It's horrible. It's just a mess of things that just need to be put away. And I freaking hate how messy it is. So let's just get right on into this. Okay, so I'm so excited for this. I follow this Facebook page that is all about dog enrichment, and I saw this one post that someone had this. It comes in a 2-pack. There's a blue one too that I got, but you put, you know, different foods and then freeze it and they can enjoy. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna do these 7 as his food kibble, and then I'm gonna freeze it with some bone broth, and then in like 2 others I'm gonna put some pumpkin puree, 2 others put some peanut butter, and just freeze it all. And then I can put one of his he has these like vitamin joint treats. I can put one in there like when the day of comes, but I think this is all the stuff that I'm gonna be freezing. So I'm just so excited to do this. He'll be so excited. I'm just gonna do it for one morning for breakfast, but he's gonna be so happy. Okay, I just thought I'm going to add this to one of them, these bacon cheese flavored Kong thing. I'm gonna add one of those. By the way, just a reminder, this is the best can opener to exist by Kitchen Mama. I love it so much. So I'm gonna pop this in the freezer. Okay, so that is all I have for today. I want to get a bit more done, but Ted is on his way home, so I have to go get ready, and we're gonna go head to the game. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.